Hey guys, my name is Joel Williams. I'm an attorney in Kennesaw, Georgia, and today I want to talk to you about legal malpractice claims. Lawyers, just like other professionals, are expected and required under Georgia law to exercise a degree of care to protect their client's interest. If you believe that your lawyer has committed malpractice, you will have to prove three things in order to succeed on your claim. Number one, that there is a lawyer-client relationship. Usually this is proven by showing that a written contract exists between the client and the lawyer. Number two, you'll need to prove that your lawyer failed to exercise that degree of care that other lawyers in the same position would have. Number three, you will have to prove that the lawyer's failure to exercise ordinary care approximately caused your damages. The most common example of legal malpractice would be when a lawyer misses a deadline, or fails to file an answer on time, or fails to respond to a critical motion. When a lawyer misses a deadline, it can have devastating consequences for you financially and personally. For example, the court may throw your case out, and you may not be able to bring your claim again. However, it is important to know that just because your case does not turn out like you would want it to, that does not necessarily mean that you have a legal malpractice claim. Lots of times lawyers do a very good job, but the jury may not see it the way that their client does, or the judge may rule against them. The most common type case that my firm handles deals with personal injury. So in other words, when somebody is hurt due to the negligence of another person, we bring a claim against them for monetary damages. When we do that, one of the most important things that we need to discover is what insurance is available to cover the damages. Sometimes lawyers miss all the available insurance, and when that happens, you could be left holding the bag for your damages. When all insurance is not uncovered by your lawyer, you may have a legal malpractice claim against him or her. If you're bringing a legal malpractice claim, the most difficult aspect of your claim to prove will be that the lawyer's negligence resulted in your damages. In order to prove this, you will have to show that but for the lawyer's negligence and mistake, that you would have won your claim. Then you have to show that the damages that would be available could be recoverable. In other words, you really have to prove two cases. You have to prove that your lawyer messed up, and you have to prove your underlying case. And you have to show the jury that you would be successful in both. If you believe that your lawyer's committed legal malpractice, or if you believe that your lawyer has made a critical mistake or missed a deadline in your case, give us a call today at 404-389-1035. I'll be happy to speak with you, to discuss your case, to discuss all your legal options moving forward.